moment you use the word polarization, there is somehow an implicit belief that it is Hindu polarization. But that's incorrect, because it's not just that. The other side has been polarizing minorities of different types, religious minorities, caste minorities, for decades. If you look at the turning point was 1986. If you look back at the politics of 1986, it was sheer polarization, not by people who represent Hindutva, but from the other side. So it was only natural that at some point there would be a counter to that, there would be a pushback to that. And I agree with what Dr. Swami was saying, that responsible steps have to be taken to keep the mainstream in the middle and not to the extreme fringes. I would say this, that this narrative is spun more than it should be by some in the media who clearly seem to have some kind of an agenda.